Hello everyone, welcome to Figure It with Zainab and you're watching Foodventures. Practice mindful eating is one of the most important points we all need to keep in mind. As life these days is really hectic and we are constantly multitasking, everything is rushed through and that's where the gap comes in. So this year, make your goal to eat more mindfully. Grabbing a bite and rushing through meals does not allow us to appreciate them as well as absorb the nutrients in the right way. Furthermore, there is evidence to suggest that practicing mindful eating assists in portion control, weight management. It also facilitates better digestion, all of which are important points for long-term health. As Florence Joyner says, it's never too late to change old habits, and rightfully put across by Jillian Michaels. It's not about perfect, it's all about effort. And when you bring that effort every single day, that's where the transformation happens. So let's keep all these points in mind for a healthier 2020. Let's step into a healthier decade. And that's all for today's episode. If you liked watching today's episode, do like and subscribe to the channel and continue to follow my food ventures.